Here we have a Clausen Harrison M300 lathe. I have it powered up for you, so that it does operate. As you can see, the spindle does turn. So this is your longitudinal feed, so that does operate also. It's going to go in the opposite direction here. Slow longitudinal feed. There's a cross feed that also operates, but right now it's not operating to its full potential, primarily because, as you can see right here, there's a crack right here in the metal piece right here. Okay? Shut it off. It's got some scratches on this dial here. This whole unit may need to be replaced. Missing the tool post. All the other functions appear to work good. The tailstock. That's just the arbor section here. Come over to the head here. This is your speed change gearing. Okay, nothing wrong with the gears. The knobs here, they broke off the shaft, both of them. Okay, there's some damage to the panel, the front cover panel. Alright, didn't damage anything else, except it broke these knobs off these two shafts here. They're replaceable. All the other functions operate very nicely on here. These are your speed controls for your threading. Coolant pump operates fine. This is your switch for the door that is missing, and the whole fiberglass section here is missing. It got looked like it got destroyed somehow, some way. Motor runs very nicely. Like I said, the coolant pump works very nice. All the controls, they appear to operate. There's one separate wire here we're not quite sure about. It's L2 wire. We had to bypass the transformer. The transformer does not appear to operate. We currently have it hooked to 208 three-phase. However, we cannot get the 110 power, so we bypassed that 110 power just to get the machine to run. Little dent right here on the backsplash, not a big deal. A couple little paint scratches. Otherwise, this machine is in pretty decent condition. It just needs a little TLC. Again, we'll fire it up for you just to show you the wheels operate. We did manage to get it going in a couple different speeds. We manually turned these, and we went through most of the speeds. All the speeds appear to operate just fine. Also, there's a foot stop right there that does operate. Put that back in the gear there. You can fire it back up again. For your coolant right there.